citric acid or lemon juice on a Q-tip will whiten your teeth better than anything. You can also use low percentage phosphoric acid. It's in Coca-Cola. It's so easy to whiten your teeth. Like, these are really stained, hardcore stained, and I whitened them easily with phosphoric acid at 1/20th dosage in the cap of a bottle about the size of a nickel. Okay? 1/20th to tap water at 85% phosphoric acid. Don't use the phosphoric acid. Instead, squeeze a lemon and the peel, squeeze it into a solution into a little bottle cap, dip a Q-tip down in that solution, and scrub your teeth with either citric acid or lemon juice. You could probably even do it with orange juice. So just scrub it with that, and you'll see on the Q-tip that the brown stains from coffee and cigarettes and all that, it comes straight off. And if it's really deep embedded stains, you can use phosphoric 85% diluted to a 1/20th with tap water in a cap the size of a nickel. So just think about this. It's simple theory. Q-tips, the cotton material, is refined and fine enough that it becomes perfectly abrasive to the tooth. It will actually help scrub the stain off, and it will pull it off. It will pull it right off. It's like little wires. In fact, cotton is actually a really strong material. And cotton is also flame retardant in pure form. It doesn't burn easily, cotton doesn't. It's when you mix it with a catalyst material that it becomes accelerated in burning. Cotton does burn, but it has to be a high temperature concentration. You could take a Bic lighter to a wad of cotton that came from a bottle of Tylenol and try to set it on fire. It will not easily burn. But your t-shirt that you have on, it's probably blended with something that's a catalyst that accelerates the heat into the cotton that will set your shirt on fire immediately. It could be a dye, it could be another fiber, it could be another material. Whatever it is in your t-shirt, it causes the cotton to burn. But pure white cotton concentrated into a twisted bind will not burn easily with a Bic lighter. But cotton will scrub your teeth. You can also use oils to scrub your teeth, and you can use another thing called baking soda with water. Hydrogen peroxide is another good thing to clean your mouth with. Hydrogen peroxide is one of the best ways to clean your mouth. It is one of the best to clean your mouth. It doesn't get rid of stains very well, but it will kill germs in your mouth. And it will clean up. It'll also eat plaque. It will loosen up plaque between your teeth and around your teeth and your gum line. You do need to invest in hydrogen peroxide for cleaning your mouth. It's way better than Listerine. Those mouthwashes that they use, they're not nearly as good as hydrogen peroxide. But don't mix anything with your hydrogen peroxide directly. Just use hydrogen peroxide by itself. Never mix ingredients that you're not aware of. Okay? Never mix anything that you're not aware of, because it can cause tissue damage. Okay? And I don't really, truly, absolutely recommend someone who doesn't know chemistry and quantum physics to use phosphoric acid at 85% purity diluted to 1/20th. I don't recommend that you even mess with that unless you're extremely educated in chemistry. Okay, you just don't do these things. But you can remove stains much more safely with hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, oil, lemon juice, citric acid, and that's pretty much how you do it on a Q-tip. Concentrated. Not as diluted. Straight from a lemon or straight from an orange. And you scrub it with a Q-tip. It'll take you 5-10 minutes at the most to whiten your teeth up to 7 shades or more. Over time, you will have purely white teeth. Citric acid is the best. So, there is some damage that can occur. But if you're careful, your teeth will be probably just fine. Citric acid is a weak acid. It doesn't have the acidic density that it would require to truly damage your teeth. Plus, you have a coating over your teeth, and you constantly have coatings. And even when you brush your teeth after you whiten them with toothpaste, they now have enamel generating toothpastes. But you have layers of stuff over your teeth. You have acid in your mouth that eventually will naturally remove stains from your teeth. Even food, when you chew food, can remove stains from your teeth. So, I mean, things degrade. Cigarette smoking. You can even heal a cigarette smoker. You can heal their lungs over a long period of time if they were one pack a day kind of person. You can heal a cigarette smoker. If they don't get cancer, their tissues will degrade. The broken tissues will degrade. The tar and the black substances will eventually degrade and disperse, and you'll regenerate the lung cells that you might be possibly missing on the surface of your lungs. So there's different reasons to believe that this is all just mudslinging, chemical slinging, if you will. And if you don't damage and you continue the genetic cycle of life with stem cells programmed by genetics, essentially what we know now is that you can save the human body in several ways. You can regenerate tissue. So we're all in. We're dibs in for the answers right now. We got our chips cashed in on a lot of science. And just remember, you clean the stains off your teeth safely, fairly safely, mostly safely. So here's a video on teeth whitening and happy life.